Whoa, look at this. 1948 Buick convertible. Yes, it's a super looking Buick. This is a car that's never been restored. It's just been maintained, taken care of, and driven for 85,000 miles since new. Never a restoration. Yes, some cosmetic and repaint, and it takes what it takes to make it stay nice. But this is what they look like. They drive wonderful. Very nice car to cruise in. Just looking at some of the details that might be important for anybody that wants to know what different things look like, what they're supposed to look like. What a great looking car. That's right. They don't make them like they used to. Anybody remember the movie Rain Man? Well, this is pretty darn close to what Rain Man was driving or learned to drive in that movie. What a car. Thanks for watching.